Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by preparing the essentials. Pick the exact URL and a clear window name because browsers group windows by name. Once done, check that pop-ups aren't blocked for this site, otherwise your window. Open call will fail silently. Use HTTPS to avoid mixed content blocks and ensure permission prompts behave consistently. Now, in your page script call window, open URL name, width equals 1024, height equals 768, scroll bars equals yes, which tells the browser how to create and size the new window immediately. Once the window is open, keep its reference in a variable so you can check and focus it later with. Focus, or closed. Use post message to send structured data across windows. This avoids cross-origin script errors and is reliable. Make sure the target window's document. Ready state is complete or interactive before calling DOM methods, otherwise you risk runtime errors. Also, set a heartbeat or ping to detect if the user closed the window, and handle fallbacks if messages aren't received. To finish, perform any final save or cleanup in the child window and call win. Close from the opener or instruct the child to self-close, then confirm closure via post message to avoid dangling references. If opening was blocked, detect it, win == null, and redirect the current tab to the URL as a fallback. If things go wrong, inspect the console for errors, verify pop-up settings and HTTPS, and ensure names and features strings are formatted correctly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.